Hello students, welcome to Crack Grade B online learning platform. Today in this video lecture, we are going to discuss the RBI Grade B 2021 notification highlights. There is a major change in the syllabus, qualification criteria, paper pattern, interview marks. So we will discuss one by one. And notification highlights we will discuss in this video. Qualification criteria as 10th, 12th marks have been removed. 60% criteria for 10th and 12th marks have been removed. Syllabus is changed. Phase 2 subjective plus objective both are there in phase 2. Interview marks has been increased to 75. So we will discuss one by one. We will provide the syllabus according to the latest pattern. It will cost you rupees 2499 only. SEBI grade course we are also providing in rupees 2000 only. You have to register at website and can subscribe the courses. These are the important dates. You can apply from 28 January to 15th Feb. For journalist post, phase 1 exam will be held on 6 March, phase 2 on April 1. So all other dates are there in notification also. So earlier there was a criteria in qualification criteria, 10th and 12th marks also, 10th and 12th percentage marks were 60% criteria for RBI grade B, but that has been removed. Only that graduation you have to secure minimum 60% marks for general category and OBC category candidates and 50% for SC/ST category candidates. And other details you can read from the notification. And one more important point, that paper pattern has been changed, that descriptive has been introduced with 50% objective, 50% descriptive. Time 2 hours, 1.5 hours and 2 hours. So 50 marks for objective part and 50 for descriptive part, and English will be same as earlier. And for this objective part there will be 30 questions for 50 marks. Some question will be carrying 2 marks, some question will be carrying 1 marks. In descriptive there will be 6 questions will be asked. You have to attempt 4 questions, 2 of 15 marks and 2 of 10 marks. So 2 questions will be of 15 marks and 2 of 10 marks. Okay. And similarly in the finance and management, 30 question for objective part and 6 question for subjective part. Marks will be equal, 50-50. 2 question will be of 15 marks, 2 question will be of 10 marks. You have to attempt out of 6. Means there is an option you can attempt among from 6 you have to attempt 4 questions. Economic syllabus has been reduced, and this is the only the syllabus you have to do it. Earlier there were number of chapters, but has been reduced, and you can prepare accordingly, and it is easier now to prepare for the specifically for ESI. Finance is almost same, but one chapter finance fintech has been introduced, and that one chapter that has been removed from here is FRBM, GST, and all these things have been removed from here. So detail you can go get from the notification. Some concept some management syllabus also have been changed. Like earlier this concept was not there. News theory, human relation system approach to management, and this conflict management, this was not there earlier. Ethics at workplace and corporate governance was there, but ethics at workplace was not there. So this is complete new, and most probably subjective questions can be asked from this ethics at workplace and corporate governance. And interview marks also have been increased, 75 marks, and that criteria for selection is the same, but they have mentioned also one more test has been introduced, that is psychometric test. Before appearing for the interview, no marks shall be allotted for the same, and this will not form part of final selection criteria. Final selection will be through merit list, which will be prepared by adding marks secured by the candidates in phase 2 examination and interview, and grace marks as per rules. These are the vacancies: general category 108, schedule 49, 27, OBC 59, 27 in EWS, total 270 vacancies. Age limit, age cutoff date is 1st January 2021. Details are given in the notification. These are our courses. We will provide the syllabus in our course according to the new pattern. You can register at our site and can subscribe the courses. Thank you and happy learning.